Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by to my YouTube channel here, Jessica Myrose. If you are new, I hope you're here to stay, and don't forget to give that thumbs up for this video, as well as subscribing so you can continue checking out my content. And on today's video, it's going to be about deep cleaning your couch. So I am going to be sharing with you guys how I do the process of deep cleaning my couch, as well as some laundry motivation, and the steps, kind of how I follow all of that. But without further ado, let's get started. All right guys, to begin, we're gonna get started on our laundry. I have basically 3 loads of laundry that I gotta take care of, and as you can starting to see, this is the biggest issue I have. This couch, it's basically owned by our puppy, which she sheds a ton, so I took the cover off so I can do the laundry there, but now it's all nice and folded. Now the next thing I do is to put all the kids' clothes away. And basically, as you can see, the right side it's my oldest, and the left side is my youngest. And I try to kind of divide it. They very close on in age, and so the clothes sometimes get mixed up at times. And I do a little bit of organization while I put the clothes away, because sometimes it gets a little bit messy.
Oh God, please tell me I'm not the only one who's in this situation. Just when I think of you, my fingers started shaking. I've known you for 2 days, I'm sorry I forgot your name, and it's not your fault, but just believe my heart is breaking into two.
And as you can see, I use this basket to transport all the clothing and all the pieces of laundry to their designated area. And now I'm just finally finishing up with my clothes and my husband's clothes. Now it is time to tackle this couch. I'm putting all these covers away. I am not a big fan of those covers, to tell you the truth, but I guess they worked a little bit. However, I just feel that the hair is just still there, and it's not the best scenario. So what I am going to show you is how I deep clean it, and how I try to really get rid of all that hair, and make sure the couch it is clean. So now I'm just gonna wash the covers. Oh man, but yeah, it's quite a project, because I have to make sure the kids are entertained while I do this type of thing, or make them help me. And you'll see in a little bit later how I actually motivate them to be helpful. Now let's hold here for a moment and take all this hair in. Appreciate all this hair that I just found on the back of the cushion. It is amazing. If you're also a pet owner, you probably, well, if you have pets that shed like mine, you probably struggle the same way I do. I think next time we get a new couch, we're probably gonna have to get a leather couch, at least for the den area, because this is our den, and it will probably be easier. I had to make a stop over here because I wanted share with you something, and I am not sure if I'm gonna be able to accomplish it, but at any rate, these has a ton of hair over here and over here, and then look at this spot right here. Yeah, that spot is probably not coming off, but I'm gonna do my best to clean it up. That's probably not gonna come off, but I am going to do my best, and I'm gonna share with you how I steam clean everything. And I'm gonna finish up vacuuming everything in here, and hopefully this couch is like brand new after deep cleaning it. But yeah, this oil just in the back, just to let you know what happened. So Sky went outside, and we have the Traeger, the grill that has a dripping oil bucket, and somehow she got it all on herself and came inside and thought that it was a great idea to jump in the couch, and she had it all over her body, all over her legs. So this couch is, at the end of the day, is just gonna go straight to the trash. But bringing a new one is not the solution. I always feel like I've been saying this when I'm like dealing with the couch. So after I was done vacuuming the whole couch, we're gonna get started with a steam cleaning with my Pro Heat Essential. This is the Bissell, and I have only used it for the carpet. I haven't used the handheld tool, but we are going to use this now just for the handheld tool. And what I do, I just fill it up with water, and I like to use hot or warm water, and then I pour 2 scoops of the Bissell Deep Clean and Fresh with the Febreze scent, and it smells amazing. I used to have the animal care one that I use for the carpet, but that's what I had on hand this time around, so I will just fill it up all the way, and I actually had to fill it up twice for the whole couch. I do want to mention that I had this machine steam cleaner for years and years, and I never had any issues. It works really great. This is not sponsored or anything, but if you're in the market for one of these machines, I highly recommend it, and I will try to see if I can find it. I got it on Amazon, but I'm sure you can find similar ones like this one. So I'll try to link it on the description below. If it's not this exact same one, maybe a similar one. I wanted to do a close-up over here so you can see all the dirty water that is being absorbed by the handheld tool. And I just want to say, I just love it. And it's so satisfying to use this machine. I wanted to steam clean the whole house after doing the couch. It was hard to stop. It was super satisfying just to even see that dirty water coming out of my couch. Sorry guys, this is very explicit, and I understand it maybe can be gross, but this is reality, and at the end of the day, that's what we're here, right? That's what we're getting rid of, all these dirtiness. Now, as I was letting the cushions to air out and dry, I found all these other hair and dust particles and toys in the furniture in the entertainment center. Look at all this dust particles. So we're gonna tackle this, and I actually inspired my toddler to help me do this. He was really into the little duster I had, and he wanted to help out, so I gave him one, and he really did a great job on the playroom. He moved on to where I was, and he was actually cleaning as I was as well. So this was a sweet moment where I can actually teach my toddler to clean with me. And there's nothing better than a fresh smelling, cozy, and clean room. Am I wrong? This is the best feeling, you guys. I hope this gives you some motivation and inspiration to get your place or space nice and cozy, give you some comfort, and make you feel really good. So now I'm doing the final touches, just tucking in all the cushions. And while I was doing that, I was also having my son Jace playing with a sticker page and just putting the corresponding sticker on the corresponding picture. And it was so cute to see that he was so entertained and concentrated into this little task while I was able to finish this project. And my other son was actually taking a nap, so it worked out just perfectly fine. All right, guys, so we have come to the end of this video. I am super satisfied, and I hope I can transmit this joy to you, to inspire you to get a place of your home nice and fresh. And also, just so you look, I wasn't able to remove this thing completely, but it does look and feel much better. It is such a big difference now that I have that, and I am going to share a little trick I did, and I made up for our solution for the couch. So I bought these phone stand thing, and it was super cheap, as well as the net on Amazon. I could not find any sort of solution for me to prevent the dogs to jump on the couch, so I came up with my own, and it works great. I'm going to show you here how easy it is for me to just sit down, relax, and with no hair on myself. So I hope you guys enjoy, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.